Steel represents design, history, elegance, and is natural, durable, secure, slender, and sophisticated. This is why we offer solutions for windows, doors, and facades made of steel, Corten, or stainless steel. For outside, for inside, for renovation, for new builds. And it looks like this, or this, or this. And while you take care of your customers, we'll take care of all the rest. Complex structural calculations, U-value calculation, technical testing, and fire protection. Construction of life-size samples and fabrication training for metal fabricators. One material gives you infinite possibilities. Made of steel. Schüco Jansen Steel Systems.